Sunday, February 25th, 2024. Second Sunday of Lent, Day of Holy Childhood. Focus. This is my beloved Son. Listen to him. Abraham surrendered totally to the will of God and agreed to the unthinkable, to sacrifice his only son Isaac. The second reading tells of God's steadfast love. If God is for us, who can be against us? Today's Gospel focuses on the transfiguration of Jesus, giving a glimpse of his glory that will be manifested through his passion, death, and resurrection. The Father publicly affirms his pleasure in his Son, who lived in utter submission to his Father's will. Lent is a preparatory season for the Lord's Passion. It makes us see our sinfulness and helps bring us back to God through prayer, penance, and almsgiving. Our eyes are fixed on Jesus, who, sent by the Father, can transform our lives. He takes even our brokenness and uses it for God's glory. Saint Francis Xavier surrendered his life of nobility and wealth, choosing the way of the cross, following in the footsteps of his Master Jesus. Even in the darkest moments of life, when nothing seems to go right, when people disrespect or abuse me with words or actions, I can turn to the Lord. I find peace only in Jesus. I know that He can transform even that situation and use my very emptiness and pain for God's glory. Fruit: I will remain focused on God's love and seize every opportunity to reach out to others in need.